Alison Wardle is one of those celebrities known because of her husband. Those who are not used to the limelight find getting all the media coverage overnight challenging. With each passing year, the list of these individuals continues to expand. Alison Wardle is one of those people who fall into the same category. Before marrying Graham Wardle, Alison was an ordinary person. But she got all the limelight in a short space of time. Understandably, many are not mindful of accurate details about this woman. Some of our readers could know Graham Wardle in depth, but today we will tell you about Alison Wardle. Alison Wardle is Canadian star Graham Wardle's beautiful wife. The lovely lady has managed to maintain a low-key lifestyle despite being married to a star. She doesn't have a social media page, which is impressive enough. This beautiful celebrity wife, born in Canada, is of Caucasian ethnicity. Alison was born and spent much of her childhood in Canada. Her childhood was maybe normal. We assume it because she was a bit shy when she first came to the limelight. Her educational background details are mostly under the dark. While we can understand the secrecy, we suppose Alison is well educated. Alison Wardle was born to her parents in Canada. The accurate information on her date of birth is unknown to the general public. It might be because she likes to keep it out of everyone's prying eyes. Other than that, we don't know about her parents and her siblings. Alison's birth date is unknown to the general public, but we assume that she is in her mid-30s. Besides this, Alison's height could be around 5'3". Her fair complexion suits her beautiful smile. It also sheds light on her personality. Being in front of the media, Alison tends to look slender. It might be the result of the gym work she regularly does. We don't know about her vital body statistics and weight, either. But her blue eyes and blonde hair are bound to steal the limelight. Alison Wardle is a talented photographer. Her husband often puts her photos on social media to give her some exposure. Alison is famous as the wife of a celebrity. She doesn't talk too much about her own life, nor does she have any social media accounts. Alison always supports her husband. There's not much to talk about Alison's career. We feel she has an interest in photography. In an interview, Alison's husband said that she loved photography and had a keen interest in it. Due to her interest in photography, this good-looking lady sometimes travels around places. In the year 2015, Alison Wardle married Graham. While the wedding was widely known, but it was a private affair. Only relatives and trusted friends participated. The pair often appeared at award ceremonies or public events together until they got married. The two have no divorce history. They don't like giving too much info about their private lives. Alison's husband, Graham, got recognized for his role as Kyle in Grave Halloween, a horror film. The audience saw him in the supernatural detective drama Fallen and That One Night. Alison is happily living a happy married life with her husband, Graham Wardle. Graham Wardle is a renowned Canadian entertainer who works as an actor, producer, director, and writer. The two never shared any information about how or when they met. But one thing is evident, that the two enjoy each other's company. Alison supports her husband's career, as she was seen at public events and awards galas with him. However, she still doesn't want to be in the limelight. It explains why there isn't much news about her online. There is no news on any rift as of 2020. The couple tends to shower love on each other. And they always balance their professional and personal life. Graham Wardle was born in 1986 in British Columbia. He grew up in New Westminster with 5 siblings. Graham always had an interest in the entertainment business. He started his career when he was only 6 years old. One day, he unintentionally entered the room where the children waited to give an audition along with his mother. His mother encouraged him to try the part. It was then Graham got selected to appear in a commercial. Graham Wardle is a well-known Canadian actor, producer, and director. Due to the CBC series Heartland, he is popularly known for his character Ty Borden. Graham has also starred in films such as Supernatural 2005 and In Women's Land 2007. He also did production work for The Vessels. Graham is famous for having on-screen chemistry with Amber Marshall. She played Amy Fleming's role in the Heartland series. Rumors among their fans say that they dated each other. However, it is not true, as in real life, both are married to different partners. Apart from Alison's curiosity in photography, we don't know what she's doing. Because of the lack of this information, we have no details about Alison's net worth. Had there been job details, we might have had some net worth details. In contrast, her husband, Graham, holds $3 million in net worth. All of it is the product of his success in the entertainment industry. More projects are coming his way, and we assume the net worth is going to increase. Whatever the case may be, the Lovebirds enjoy a luxurious lifestyle. If you have come to the end of the video, you will think that Alison is highly secretive. There is no social media profile of her in a similar quest. It leads to increased difficulty in knowing about the celebrity's personal life. She likes and prefers to keep a low profile and enjoys her life away from the media. She supports her husband and is sometimes seen on his social media account.